Well, I got the first wire ready to pull. I've got the fish tape up to the junction box on the end. I'm going to have to make a couple of pulls because I can't do it all in one. Too many turns. Got my wires all strung up on my reel, ready to go. Pulled up a little extra tail on it. Now I'm going to go up on this ladder and use the fish tape to pull it down through. I have to come back after I get that pulled and pull up a little extra in that junction box there. Then these wires get fed down to the switch box over there through that pulling tee. And I got a pulling tee up there too, so I've got a little bit of work to do on that to get everything pulled around where I want it. But at least I'm moving on it. I got wire going.